In just 2 years, AI went from generating blurry faces to creating photorealistic videos from text descriptions, from deepfakes to Hollywood-quality synthetic media. This is the technology that's reshaping entertainment, marketing, and maybe reality itself. AI video generation works by learning patterns from millions of hours of video footage. Diffusion models start with random noise and gradually refine it into coherent frames. Guided by text prompts, transformers analyze the relationship between objects, motion, and physics across time. The AI learns how light interacts with surfaces, how people move, how water flows, and how cameras pan. Then, when you type an astronaut riding a horse on Mars, it synthesizes entirely new footage that never existed. Frame by frame, pixel by pixel. The result, videos. Indistinguishable from reality, generated in minutes. The evolution is explosive. 2015, deepfakes emerged, swapping faces in videos using generative adversarial networks. 2018, first AI-generated faces appear. 2020, GANs create increasingly realistic synthetic media. 2022, text-to-image models like DALL-E to unstable diffusion go viral. 2023, text-to-video arrives with Runway Gen 2 and Pika Labs. 2024, OpenAI's Sora demonstrates minute-long photorealistic videos. And now, real-time generation, 3D scene synthesis, and Hollywood studios integrating AI into production pipelines. Modern AI video technology has 3 critical components. The foundation model, trained on massive datasets. A video clips, learning physics, motion, and causality. The diffusion process, starting from noise and iteratively refining toward your text description across hundreds of steps. And temporal consistency, ensuring objects remain stable across frames, maintaining coherent lighting, perspective, and physics throughout the video. But challenges remain, generating long sequences, complex interactions, and avoiding artifacts that break immersion. What's next for AI video generation? Real-time generation lets you create and edit videos instantly, like typing a document. 3D world models synthesize entire environments. You can navigate from any angle. Personalized avatars clone your appearance, and voice for custom content creation. And integration with VR creates immersive experiences, blending real and synthetic worlds. The future of video isn't just recording reality. It's imagining it, then watching AI bring it to life.